Welcome again, folks, to Chip Wynn Classic Car Sales in Paducah, Kentucky, 3174 Park Avenue. We're going to do a quick lot walk for you, show you some of the stuff we've got outside today that you definitely need to see. We're going to start off with this 1962 Cadillac DeVille. This car's got a 390 V8 4-barrel carburetor. Beautiful car, rides and drives just like you would expect a Cadillac to do. Next up, 1966 Mustang convertible 289 V8 automatic transmission, cold air conditioning. It's a perfect car to get out on those summer and spring days. Throw that top down and go for a ride. Beautiful red interior. All these cars again are available at chipwinnclassics.com if you want to see more of these cars. Gorgeous 1969 Chevy Chevelle frame-off restoration, which was completed in 2020 as a built 350 V8 mild cam, turbo 350 automatic transmission. We do have a video of this one up on our YouTube channel right now. Guys, this car has stolen my heart. 1972 Chevelle Custom Coupe, straight body. It's been finished in red with the white sport stripes. New crate 350 high performance motor, turbo 350 automatic transmission, and again, a video and a drive video, test drive video of this one on YouTube also. Next up, a beautiful 67 Chevelle Malibu convertible, only 56,000 original miles, 283 4-speed. Again, video of this one on our YouTube channel. Next up, it's a 1967 Chevelle Malibu 283 Power Glide transmission. It's a factory AC car. This car was in a museum for 25 plus years and is in mint condition. All the chrome, the stainless, it's all in mint condition. We have an extensive test drive video of this car also available on our Chip Wynn Classics YouTube page. Next up, another Chevelle 1967 convertible. It has also been in a heated and cooled museum for the last 20 years before we got it. 283 motor, tons of new parts. I can't list them all in a short video. This car runs and drives great. Move on to another Chevelle. This Chevelle 1969 has a complete frame-off restoration, built 396, bored 30 over, only 500 miles on it since the restoration was complete. If you're looking for a show car that's ready today that needs absolutely nothing, this is it. Also another full test drive video on YouTube for this car. And then we're going to end with this 57 Chevrolet 3100 fresh 350 with the turbo automatic, tons of new parts. You can drive this one anywhere. Another video with Jeff on this car is available on YouTube. And again, we got same-day financing available, shipping available on almost anywhere in the world. Videos, pricing, details available at chipwinnclassics.com. Also, search YouTube for Chip Wynn Classics. We have lots of videos there. Please like and subscribe while you're there. If there's a car on the website you want to see a video on, comment below. Let us know. We'll be happy to do that. Thanks again so much for watching. We'll see you again soon. Chip Wynn Classics, 3174 Park Avenue in Paducah.